Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today we'd like to talk about a Mira USDT trading pair with my customer set zone of interest after listing. Let's dive in. Right, guys, like usual, after listing, we use the initiation accumulation pump model. How to work with this model, highly recommend you go and check free educational video. In free Telegram channel, you can find this video by educational tag. So I use the KuCoin today because I surprised this token not listed on a BitGet, on the Binance 25 cents, lowest listing price on the max on Gate.io over the dollar. That's why I usually try to find the lowest listing price to identify the reduce the risk, and identify the better zones. If, for example, some zone can be identified on the Binance based on that listing, the price can drop even lower. That's why I'm better skip the token than just gamble randomly with the not good risk reward zones. That's why, guys, we can't trade every single token. We can't buy every single token on spot because we don't have unlimited budget. So we work with realistic data on this channel. We not gamble with hypothetical fancy virtual tokens, and we not buy the deep every single time because we trade with real money. So let's adjust here by body candle close. We use it. So the first zone of interest, like you remember if you watched that tutorial, is going to be this zone. It's the first zone of interest. Let's mark it's like blue color. This one. Next zone of interest is going to be the best one zone, this one. So it's going to be the green one. And I would like to show you the invalidation of idea if the token dump on the listing price. In this case, if we'll see something like this one, and yes, it's possible, you can open the chart of Starknet. However, even with the lowest listing prices, these zones will be still relevant, but like resistance, just in case. So you understand the logic. But anyway, I'll recommend you go and check free education video. This is going to be the zone of fixation swing trade. Got it. And after that, guys, of course, only the sky is a limit because this is just a brand new token and everything what is about $1.9449. It's just an open space. Nobody know where this token will stop if we break this high. That's why now, guys, we work only with this zone. How long we're going to trade in this zone, nobody can know. For example, you can open the chart of ENS, Ethereum Name Service. The zones still relevant after the 4 years. Just in case. So you can be surprised. Hash flow, still, I guess, not invalidated idea. So, guys, it's just the zones, because everything what we see on the charts is just basic algorithm, and the market makers just deliver the price to that zones. That's why I highly recommend you once again go and check educational video. So the logic is, guys, take a look. No make sense to, if you wanna try this model. Of course, if you feel comfortable to buy at $1.05, you can buy it even now. I just share my ideas. No make sense to waste the stable coins now with a DCA, like here. No, start use DCA up to your own risk. You can split your money, what you can afford to invest in this Mira token, in 4 orders, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Your average entry will be like 47. Of course, you can start use DCA here, like 37, 28, 2 orders. Your average entry will be around 32. After that, usually 100% profit, you withdraw initial deposit, leave free tokens, and with the free tokens, you can ride to new all-time high. Yes, guys, it sounds not maybe so attractive, but it's a plan which can help you save your initial deposit. After that, you can increase it. Your deposit, because a lot of people just, trust me, a lot of people just stock in tokens after leasing, like Outlayer, Portal, I don't know, Starknet, Arbitrum. A lot of people, we can say about Celestia. Imagine how many people still trap it at $15 at Celestia. Now it's $1. So to not freeze that money, because we need the money for work. If we trade, we need some tool, and our tool, it's money. That's the point. So, guys, first rule, it's save initial deposit to work with. Second one, it's increase it. So here, if you, for example, buy in here, your average entry 69, you withdraw initial deposit with the free tokens you can write. If you don't wanna withdraw initial deposits, you can write and wait. The zone of fixation profit is 439. Don't be so greedy. fix the profit step by step, because we can't know what can happen next with this token. And the main goal is to finish the ride this cycle with the profit. And after that, you can leave there, 50% or 45% or 40%, 30% to the new high. That's it. It's just a free token. So zero risk. You just close the chart at, for example, alert here at $5 and wait, just wait. That's a plan. So this is zone of interest. Let's go back now to the daily, to the 12 time frame, 4 time frames, zones with my customer app, because on the daily it's not enough data. So is it possible so we can see something like this one? Yes, we can see even something like this one. That's why, guys, we got levels, and you can buy at any comfortable level personally for you. I usually use these 2 levels. Which one for you, I can know, based on your risk, based on how greedy you are. That's why, guys, I just share my ideas on the channel. So based on 4 time frame, no data for indicators. All right, we go into smaller time frame. So what we can see here, this is not a crazy accumulation zone. Crazy accumulation zone based on the ADZ indicator is here. This is not even close. So we're just in the middle. I don't like the situation when we trade just in the middle, even on 1 hour time frame. That's why this is not enough information and enough confirmation and the reasons to buy now. That's why I skip it. I can use this analysis plus 6 my customer set to determine the zones and the reasons. For example, if I will see 4 reasons to buy and 2 to not buy, of course, I can buy if I get a plan for this token. So ADZ, no reason to buy. Now, direction, we at the bottom without any accumulation signals yet. Market smooth, still a free even on a 1 hour time frame, not bullish one. Once again, guys, can we go higher from this one? Yes, of course, guys. Any news, any partnership, any marketing campaign, any paid influencer can shield this token, and this token can skyrocket to the moon. We can't know. We work only with the current data. Don't try to predict, just guess. Oh, I guess we go higher. Oh, I guess we go down. It's just a lottery, but we need to work with a plan. Money power, money inflow was here on 1 hour time frame here. Some money inflow at $1.16. We bounced local trade to $1.28. It's not what we're looking for, guys. Because of course we need to some bigger pump. Yes, of course, with 10x leverage, you could open the swing trades, just intraday trades in 6 hours. You can get like 100% profit with second leverage. But of course, after that, or if you not fix the profit, you're so greedy, you can get a stop loss. That's why, guys, 1 hour time frame, of course, is just for like intraday trades. It's not the option for investment. Here, of course, was another confirmation on 30 minutes time frame to buy. 10% profit. It was up to you to buy or sell or what to do. Here was some buy signals, but it's not what we're looking for, guys. It's just a tiny scalps. Here's a money inflow, RSI bullish divergence. Here's a MACD bullish divergence, but it's only 30 minutes time frame. This is not what we're looking for. Take a look, guys. Last indicator is take profit. Here, you can hate it, you can love it, but most likely we'll go straight forward to the take profit line. To the buy line, buy line 86 cents 92 for the MEV value in the first zone of interest, almost at the bottom of that zone. It's 64 cents 86. So this is it. We can start, some type of channels, even like this one, or hold a line here. And this is gonna be there, like a channel with equilibrium. And go straight forward to the top in October, November. That's why, guys, buy line. I showed you can add alerts. Here's a fundamental value. Here's take profit. Here's the exit line. We close to the buy line. So now makes sense to make a reversal move now to the take profit line. All zones, guys, I showed you. We'll come back to this video later to double check how it's playing out or not playing out. We can't know, but at least we get a plan. So, guys, I hope you like this video. If you would like to trade with my customer, what I showed on this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.